motherfucker that plays this game with you.
I think I killed everybody here.
And
All
Ryan.
this fucking...
He's a real teammate. He's a real motherfucker.
I went in here to save your ass. This is how hardcore I wanted to save you. I went in, hatcheted the motherfucker, got a Makarov, and I cleared this entire courtyard out with a fucking Makarov. There's no more AI here.
Thank you.
That's how hardcore I came to save your ass, and you fucking died on me. You piece of shit.
You care so much. And I'm just like, shit. I got fucked so hard. I saw the scab and I was like, oh, and then he sang in my leg. I was like, of course. Crippling bitch. I hate scabs right now.
I upgraded to a titty.
Yeah.
I really wish I had that key.
Right?
Did you use your whole Salua?
No, it's in my pouch.
Okay, I was just curious if you still needed one.
Oh, that's true. I should have completed that quest. Already closed the game. I'm gonna open it again and do that, cause fuck that quest.
Cause fuck that quest.
It's a starting quest. Sorry if you can hear yourself. I had to take my headphones off. It's killing me.
What a loser.
I'm sorry. It's broke under pressure.
No shit.
Did you say no shit or oh shit?
I said no shit, I just found a gas analyzer on a body.
Oh, fuck. Look at you. Oh, look. I need that now, too.
Yep, I've
And
already
the Aquarius mission.
I've already finished the first one. I need more now.
I hate that fucking quest.
Well, I only need one more, and if I find any after that, I'll give them to you.
Man, Derpy, you know it's really hard?
My dick?
Besides that.
Your dick?
Yeah, right? The Vepr, it says Vepr AKM / VPO 209 366 TKM cartridge. It fucking tells you what ammo you need to use.
That's a lot to read.
And you still can't do it.
You want to know the best thing?
You don't.
If you sell that and you buy an AK, it fucking uses the same type of round no matter which fucking AK you buy.
Well, it's a 7.62 round, so technically there's two kinds of ammo.
Technically, you're a fucking faggot.
There's two kinds of ammo.
I'm not even gonna extract. I'm going for fucking kills now. That's how mad I am.
You're so... Have fun. Going the fuck to bed.
No.
Yes.
I need to complete this mission.
That sucks. My life is video games. Okay, Derek.
Yes, it is.
I fuck with Derek so bad half the time.
I hear these guys shooting, but I don't see them.
Oh, fucking yeah. Okay, I'm out of here.
See ya.
Good luck.